Private. Join in too, bro. I don't know. I've heard a lot of China walk places. Go behind me. Why? Damn. Jesus Christ. Take me out to the city. Really? Fucking asshole. I did not have a stop sign, but I feel like it doesn't. And then it doesn't let me.
I'm gonna try to rock your car and try to shift it into neutral.
Okay. No. Fucking stupid, bro.
Quarter-mile drop-off.
Oh no!
my god, I'm absolutely about to destroy this Chick-fil-A. What did she text me?
Are you a Delaware stan?
Riley said, wait, I just realized you guys are gonna see me with my retainer.
Oh.
What the fuck?
Crazy person. Where's the Chick-fil-A?
What
What are
is...
you doing?
Oh my god.
I can't.
Do you have to go to Mason's Hotel? Do you have to change?
Let's change the car. Oh my god, that was a car accident. Jesus Christ. I'm gonna go. I was a witness to that, so I'm gonna go fucking.
Yeah.
It's crazy. If these bitches want to fight, I'll get out.
They're mad that we're snitching.
Who cares? Like, you did an illegal turn
Yeah.
in a busy... If these witnesses weren't here, it's his word against these 6 other kids. Because I didn't see it happen. I just heard the noise.
I just heard it too. But like I saw them in the middle lane, so
I think Jacob
I must be
was
having an allergic reaction. I feel like I'm having a stroke. I look down, my whole left foot is on fire. Knoxville's got like a bottle of 151 rum and matches, and he's like just pouring 151 all over my foot and throwing matches at me. Wow. And you can't see.
God, fuck you. Oh my god. Fuck me in my head. Fucker.
Welcome back, guys. Quit. Too louder truck.
Alright, we're good.
That guy's got places to be.
Yeah, he just ran that light. What are these people doing? Yeah, that car was like, no. That car was ran the light. Go! What are you doing, dude?
Fries pizza for the fam. And the pizza was pretty good. It was really good, actually. The wings weren't great. They were fine. I don't like buffalo wings.
Oh my god!
That was crazy. I don't like buffalo wings.
God, cut me off. What are you doing? What was that maneuver? That was a cop.
Yeah.
And he just pulled in front of me.
Fuck, that drops up there.
I almost honked at him. Yay! The intersection's blocked! Gotta add to it.
Shit.
Oh, that bitch deserves that. What is she doing? She's just sitting in the middle of the road.
It's a mad Brian driving right there.
Park and cry. When will you people learn not to pull into the intersection? Oh my god! Then you have like a belt.
Then drop off on the left.
Car forward seat.
Oh my god, this whole place is underwater! Look at the fucking parking lot is flooding and there's people like walking out of their house. And I'm over here delivering Popeyes to like Naomi or some shit. I'm gonna have to accelerate fast. That guy's going fucking fast. You know what? Just go past me. No, not yet. There's a car. Don't do it. Now you can go. Come on, you can go. It's your job.
If he takes a sweet. Before I ran, like after I ran over him and got him sucked under, I was like, oh shit, I just spilled some audio. And then I was like, this isn't real.
Why are you honking at me, you dumb?
He gave us the finger, dude.
Did he?
Yeah. He's threatening us with a gun.
Is he?
I think so.
Oh no.
Right.
And he helped direct a couple of movies. Because he had this knack for storytelling, when he did decide to come back to YouTube, he started off with short-form content, utilizing generative AI to create the images so that he could tell better stories. Especially this day and age where utilizing generative AI is a bit controversial.
What are you doing? You fucking...
Yo, dumb people piss me off so bad. I think it's this building.
It is. I don't know why it did that.
That was fucked up, dude. The car did not want to do whatever you just tried to do to it.
It's because it's wet. And it was uphill. I don't know how that happened. I thought it was paint. Oh,
What
okay.
the fuck? The part of the line is so fucked.
Dude, this is just one line over here.
What the hell? What the fuck?
Some girls on the
Fuck,
situation.
so fucked up. Fucking run.
It's kids sell weed to kids. Kids.
Still have poop hands.
What does that mean? Signal would have been nice.
Turn right on Baltimore Pike. You're allowed to be doing that? Turn right, then drop off on the left.
Really?
Heard you board a year ago.
Fucking God!
There's nothing dangerous about what you're doing.